Hey guys, today we're talking about the JetBoil half-gen base camp system. The half-gen is the world's first modular, expandable base camp cooking system, and you can kind of think of it as the little brother to the Genesis. I'm going to show you what it's all about. The system weighs just 3.5 pounds, and it comes with a 9-inch ceramic-coated cooking pan for eco-friendly non-stick cooking. Now the half-gen itself is a standalone, single 10,000 BTU burner stove. If you throw a 5-liter flux pot on there, it'll boil a liter of water in just over 3 minutes, just like the Genesis stove. But more important than just raw power is the fact that you get JetBoil's incredible simmer control with this. Now that's thanks to JetBoil's patented regulator valve technology. Here's how it works. Most stoves go from closed to fully wide open in just one turn of the valve, but JetBoil gives you 4 full turns of the valve. So you have almost infinite fuel flow adjustment and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, you can cook perfect blueberry pancakes in the morning like we've got right here, or you can rapidly boil water for spaghetti bolognese at night, all on the same stove. Here's the coolest thing about the half-gen. It works great on its own for 1 or 2 people, but it's really designed to be modular and part of a bigger camp kitchen system. It has a JetLink port so you can hook it up to a bunch of different accessories and stoves depending upon the size of your group. You can couple it to another half-gen, or a half-gen and a Genesis system, or even a JetBoil Luna burner like we've got right here. The possibilities are sort of endless in terms of things you can do and the kind of camp kitchen you can create. In fact, you can even hook it up to a bunch of Eureka products like Eureka's Gonzo Grill or Spire LX stove. And the great thing is everything works together seamlessly and it all runs off of a single fuel source. Aside from its modular design, the half-gen also has a really reliable lever igniter so you don't have to worry about singeing your arm hair while lighting it, and it's really intuitive to pack away thanks to these rubber straps. So to sum everything up, with the half-gen you're getting a fantastic standalone 10,000 BTU single burner stove and a frying pan in a portable and convenient package. It works great on its own for smaller groups, and thanks to its JetLink port, it's expandable and makes for an indispensable part of any camp kitchen, no matter how big the adventure.
A campfire is the gathering point for warmth, socializing, and cooking on any camp trip. Unfortunately, with the increased presence of wildfires, burn bans have become commonplace, limiting where and when we can enjoy a campfire's glow. In fact, wildfires destroy an average of 6 million acres of land in the US each year and account for about 20% of the global carbon emissions. The Ignik 2-in-1 heater stove goes where a campfire can't, providing safe, reliable outdoor heat and cooking. The 2-in-1 heater stove brings 10,000 BTUs of adjustable heat to the party, radiating with a 360-degree pattern. With a built-in igniter, turn the dial and you're ready to go. The heavy-duty cast cooktop allows you to cook a feast for your friends, just like you would on your camp stove or over an open flame. Featuring an anti-tipping cutoff switch provides added safety for your family and the forest. The timeless spring steel handle makes transport a cinch. Replacing 2 devices with one, the heater stove is compact, lightweight, and sure to be the center point of any outing. pairs seamlessly with Ignic's Gas Growler and Gas Growler Deluxe. It includes everything you need to start heating or cooking today. Perfect for camping, hunting, fishing, and tailgating. No campfire, no problem. The 2-in-1 heater stove by Ignic, your portable campfire burn ban solution.
Hi, I'm Janelle with Solo Stove, and this is the Solo Stove Lite. This is our smallest and lightest wood-burning stove, and it weighs in at only 9 ounces, making the perfect cook system for 1 to 2 people. Whether you're cooking a small meal or just rehydrating food, the Lite is a great choice when size and portability are important. It also nests perfectly within our Pot 900 to maximize limited space. The Solo Stove Lite is made with 304 stainless steel and has a nichrome wire grate, making it durable and ready to provide you with years of use. The patented design has a double wall that allows for super efficient airflow, resulting in hotter fires. This means less smoke and minimal ash. Each stove also comes with a nylon stuff sack, and that's the Solo Stove Lite.